This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Friday, the 7th of April. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather very cool and very wet tonight and tomorrow. And then we dry out nicely for Easter Sunday. And the next chance of rain beyond that will be next week from a feature in the northern Gulf of Mexico. Could that thing acquire subtropical characteristics, an early season system? We'll talk about it. We'll start with the upper air look across the country this afternoon. And again, we've got this southwest flow aloft. It's the same setup we've had for the past couple of days in a very slow-moving front drifting down through the state. The sky is cloudy for the northern half of Alabama. We got some sunshine for southeast Alabama. We'll check the radar composite about 2:30. The rain is widespread again today along and north of Interstate 59, and that rain will be expanding southward tonight. And again, a huge thermal contrast. North of that front, Haleyville at 49. People are cold and wearing jackets, but south of that front, we've got 83 for Dothan, 81 for Montgomery. And the front will keep on sagging southward, and the cool air wins the battle gradually statewide tomorrow. Got flash flood watches for parts of southwest Mississippi and south Louisiana through tonight, but otherwise things are pretty quiet across the country. There is a very low-end marginal risk of severe weather through the evening hours for the southwestern corner of the state. That would include places like Mobile and Baldwin counties, Jackson, Atmore. For the rest of the state, things are pretty quiet. We expect no severe weather problems other than that for most of Alabama through the middle part of next week. This is tomorrow, no severe weather expected, and day 3, which is Sunday, nice and quiet. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The heaviest rain over the southwestern corner of the state and near the Gulf Coast. This is suggesting places like Mobile, Dauphin Island, Fort Morgan could see over 4 inches of rain from a tropical type low in the Gulf. And it's not a tropical system, but a low in the Gulf and northern Gulf. For most of the state, rain amounts between 1 and 2 inches between now and Friday morning of next week. So model fans, here we go. This is the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. Little wave giving the front a southward push. Now, we're still going to see rain much of the day, but the rain will be ending from northwest to southeast. And many things are happening tomorrow, from Easter egg hunts to baseball games. So let's go to high-resolution modeling. This is the high-res HER, valid tomorrow at 3. And in theory, if this guidance works out, the rain should be ending in Birmingham around 2 or 3 o'clock. The rain ending around noon for the Shoals, Huntsville, Hamilton, Fayette, but still raining at 3 o'clock from Anniston south down to Auburn, Opelika, and Dothan. So you get the idea. Everybody should see rain tomorrow morning, and then the afternoon should be mostly dry if you're north and west of Birmingham, but the rain continues south and east of Birmingham. And a very cool day. North of Birmingham, highs in the upper 50s, 60s for the rest of the state. This is Easter Sunday. Looks good. The sky becoming partially sunny. Highs in the 60s for North Alabama, 70s for the southern counties of the state. Monday, we're dry. Again, upper 60s, low 70s. This is Tuesday, most of the state dry. But again, we note that low in the western Gulf, southeast of Lake Charles. And again, the question is, could this be a subtropical type low, an early season system? Hurricane season begins June 1st, and really and truly, this is the result of an upper air low and a surface reflection of that. So this is not really a classic tropical system. Go to Wednesday, showers creeping into South Alabama with that surface low in the Gulf, and that thing's under 1,000 millibars. And then Thursday, the low comes up toward Panama City Beach with rain statewide. So Monday, Tuesday, dry. Wednesday, showers for South Alabama, and then rain likely statewide on Thursday. And a week from today, this is Friday the 14th, that upper low is over the northern part of Alabama, and we are still in a showery pattern. So looks like the latter half of next week will be wet, but in this type situation, not expecting any severe storms. Let's go out 10 days. This is Monday the 17th, little trough coming through, and that looks fairly wet if this verifies. We'll check rain for Birmingham. This is coming off the GFS ensemble. You're looking for the green line. That's the mean of the ensemble members. And the mean is about 2 inches between now and the 23rd of April. Here's a look at temperatures coming off the NBM, National Blend of Models, and this is for Birmingham. Your number could vary. Only 60 tomorrow. That's about 15 degrees below average. Then upper 60s on Sunday and Monday, then 70s for the rest of next week, and then back in the low to mid 80s by that following weekend, April 15th and 16th. And hot off the presses, got the latest 8 to 14-day guidance. This is for April 15th through April 21st. Temperature's a little above average if this all happens to verify. And let's roll that Pepsi Kid Cam. Look at these third graders. I mean, they got the look. They are dressed for success. I like the way they look. Cherokee Bend Elementary School, Mountain Brook. Oh, man, they're looking good. Oh, goodness, we had a great time today talking about weather. And, yeah, they're dressed for success. I like the suspenders, like the ties. And they were kind enough to give a very generous contribution to the Alabama Childhood Food Solutions Ministry, and they do great. And that's just an amazing thing they've done. So, again, to all the teachers and the students out at Cherokee Bend and Mountain Brook, you guys were just absolutely outstanding earlier today. Also had a great time today at the symposium, the Alabama Water Institute. Had a chance to speak there at midday. A great crowd and a great time as well. Got a good-looking cake there, too. You'll see that on the Facebook feed. And a student at Tuscaloosa Academy made that cake. Boy, it's been a good day today. So don't forget, we have a book signing tomorrow. Randolph County. We're going to be in Wadowee at First Light Coffee on Main Street in Wadowee tomorrow from 10 until 1. So if you are in East Alabama, West Georgia, big chance. We have a lot of fun at these things. Take a lot of pictures. It will be a ton of fun. So, again, Randolph County, Wadowee for a book signing tomorrow, 10 until 1. So we will have notes on the blog, alabamawx.com. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on TV this evening, right across the hall. Studio A, ABC 3340 at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful weekend, and God bless.